Hey folks, how y'all doing? This is Fat Guy Flies RC. It is the inaugural flight, maiden flight of the official Fat Guy Flies RC Flyer. Hey, why not, right? Got these vinyl stickers that I ordered off online, a 50-foot sheet of just this plain, real thin black. You can get them all kinds of colors. I'll put a link to these stickers, and it's just a big sheet. It's about 12 inches wide by 50 feet, and I paid like $13 for it. And it cut it to fit. You know, trace your pattern on the white side, then cut it out and stick it on your plane. It is almost identical, the same pattern or the same feel and toughness of what they cover the Turbo Timber Evolution wing with. That sticker, that's like this is. This is just a real durable vinyl, and the letters the same thing, just vinyl. But I'll put a link to these stickers, and you just cut them out however way you want to, and that's what I did with this. Kind of made it look like an evil bumblebee. Well, anyways, and this of course is the Arrows Trekker. All right, let's take her up for her maiden flight for the official. Sorry, the audio just got louder. For the official. Oh yeah, I add lights to her too. Our Fat Guy Flies RC Flyer. All right, wind is out of the southwest, so basically that way, so almost completely cross runway.
Motor on.
Timer set for 5 minutes. And there we go. Oh yeah, that yellow. Just so you're aware, I am running a Ovionics brand 2200 in her. And I'm the only pilot here right now. Oh yeah, she'll pull knife it. If you want this plane, you have to paint her any way you want to, but it's the Arrows Trekker. And I just took all the decals off of, watch out bird. I took all the decals off of my Arrows Trekker, and here's what and then add some lights from a crashed airplane that I had. And you know, anytime I crash an airplane, you know, whether it's one that's been on the channel or not, I almost always save, at the very least I save the components, you know. So then that way, because you never know when you're going to be able to use them again. And sure enough,
Time remaining 4 minutes.
all right, trying not to get that vulture involved here. Well, I'll tell you right now, the Fat Guy Flies RC Flyer flies great. It really does. I'm quite impressed. Of course, it's just the Trekker, so same plane, obviously. With just a few minor mods. All right. There. Did make her a little bit heavier. And she'll fly inverted. But like I say, everything I'm doing with this Fat Guy Flies RC Flyer, you can do with the Trekker. This is basically the Trekker, the Arrows Trekker plug and play version. We'll touch and go there.
3 minutes.
And it does have the vector stabilization system in it, but only set for the what they're, I guess they're stabilized mode, or not stabilized, but they're same thing as AS3X. I forget what because I get the vector and the reflex systems mixed up. They both have 3 designations for the different systems they offer, and I just don't remember what the AS3X or wind mitigation one is for the vector system. All right. Well, the Fat Guy Flies RC Flyer does really well. Let's take off one more time. Nice scale takeoff. A little bit of a knife edge there. All right. Get out here. Boy, that yellow, I can really see that yellow. I'm starting to think yellow's about my favorite color for a plane. All right. Well, there you go, folks.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Let's take it back here. So my timer was set for 3 minutes. I flew for 5 minutes. I flew a full 3 minutes. Motor off before you ever touch a plane. And let's see what kind of juice is in the tank after 3 minutes of flying are pretty hard. If I can get a hold of that battery lead, that is. All right, that's right. This one, you turn them upside down, you put the checker in your right hand. My other checker, I hold it in my left hand. 64% and 3.93 basically all the way down on that 3-cell 2200. I've got that all the way forward. Like I say, all the information I'm giving you on this is for the Arrows Trekker, so keep that in mind. All right, folks, well, thank you so much for watching. That is the, let me put it back together real quick. That is, sorry. That is the Fat Guy Flies RC official flyer. And I do love them stickers. Like I say, I'll put a link to the purchase. I got them off Amazon. They stick right on. They're very strong adhesive, and they look great. All right, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and them planes. Bye-bye.